What, is that Shanghai right now?
Yeah.
Oh
42 game
God.
losing streak.
How do you lose that many? You have to get lucky eventually, right?
I mean, maybe? Wait, wrong one. What do you want to run here?
What? What? Some going around, huh?
It's gonna be a good round, boys. Okay.
I am steer now.
Can we go back to season 10 and do quad tank?
Yeah, I'm steer now. Don't even worry about it.
Alright, dude, let's go. Okay. If
You want
this
me to heal?
doesn't work,
I'm not
if
playing this. I don't know
Oh,
what
you're
you're
not?
on. No.
No, if it doesn't work until like the 2-minute mark, then we could switch and then we could just go
Then what-
Genji.
Why not? Fuck it. I've never
No,
played
we're
this
triple
guy in my
tank.
game.
Triple dive tank here.
I literally have no idea how to play.
No.
Fuck.
Azure. Oh no, let's go.
What is this?
Steer, no!
Oh my god.
No, I'm lucky, I'm lucky.
Azure was about to walk over there and beat you. Yo, let's go!
Nice.
I'm on crate, I'm on crate.
Reaper behind, Reaper on our team. Reaper slept at gate.
I'm on Zarya. Zarya's at gate right now.
Can we fuck this Lucio?
Alright.
No, we can't. There's a Zarya and Reaper at our spawn.
But why?
I don't know. Ask them. You guys know whatever either.
Yeah, he's really low.
He's dead.
Yo, get this Zarya.
Zarya, okay.
She's half. She's low.
She's one.
She's one.
She's dead. I'm on Mercy. Mercy's. Oh, run, actually.
Yeah, just kill
I'm
her.
on crate.
Oh yeah.
I'm stunned.
Free dead. Come on, Lucio. Oh, Mercy actually. Mercy's one. Point. Nice. Go get him, Hybrid. Nice. Ryan? How'd you get Barrage already? Holy.
I've had Barrage since like 30 seconds ago.
Man.
Oh, what?
He's dead. I got it. Now I can finally change my sensitivity on get. Hold on. Wait, it's the same. What? Okay. I got a cap point, dude. We good. Wait, Dom, why'd you go over to healer?
I had been a healer.
Oh.
I can switch back if you
I
want.
haven't been a tank at all.
Oh, I could have managed that.
It's alright, nice.
Yeah,
Oh,
I
May here.
was-
May's one.
Running pharmacy the whole time.
Sorry, one. I'm on,
Yeah, I
Ryan
slayed
here. Ryan's
it.
alone.
Hold
Ryan's
it
alone,
back.
Ryan's
If you
alone.
go get the cart, you do not. Don't come back.
Oh, Dom, you're gonna
Okay.
feel Luna's pain of always trying to pocket me on Pharah.
Yeah, it's pretty, interesting.
I'm not gonna say it's easy because I played both Mercy and I've played Pharah, and God, I would hate to be the Mercy.
Yeah.
For
Wait,
the
you wanna
most
get that
part, the
soldier?
only thing is you kind of drooped a little low one time and the McCree got to stun me.
That's alright.
That's pretty low.
Yo, Ryan. Yo, gangbang this
Yo,
Ryan.
get this Mercy.
Gangbang this
Oh,
Ryan.
yeah,
Ryan's one.
There's a brig behind.
Brig on her.
I'll get Brig then. I'll go get Brig.
Brig on me. Brig on Anna.
Come on, Brig. Brig one. Come on, Ryan.
Ryan Anti.
Ryan one. Think.
Yep. I'll
Fuck
just
you, Hybrid.
waiting for the opportunity.
Actually,
Fair,
that was
where are
toxic.
you?
Sorry, Hybrid. Hybrid was trying
Oh,
to
there
pulse
you
the.
are.
Hybrid was trying to pulse the May that I just nano bleed and killed. On his one. Can we get this soldier? Oh, they have a Winston, dude. They have the no aim, dude. Nice. Winston? Nice. Sorry, yeah? Nice. Is that our Pharah? That's our Pharah.
That was your Pharah.
I just heard Pharah, like, really close, and I was like, wait, is that our Pharah?
Man cart.
Yeah, Pharah, May. Guys, May?
No cryo. May no cryo. Thank you.
Oh, this is gonna hurt.
We're good. Winnable.
Oh,
Winnable.
you poor soul.
Reloading.
Come on, Winston.
Didn't pull the
Bring
res
up
off.
break. I'll put the break first. I have blade soon. Nice blade. Nice whatever. What is that called? Bomb. Get this monkey. I got blade soon.
Honestly,
May behind,
You're
may
in
behind.
T,
Yo, May behind us, May behind us.
Man cart.
May one.
Man anti.
May
Man
cryo
cryo.
in
She
time.
is cryo.
Ult has visor.
Genji.
Ult has visor.
May dead.
The soldier has visor.
Okay. Think.
We win. I believe. This game.
Fire's one. Nice. Oh, monkey.
I'm out of here.
Monkey.
No, monkey. Ah.
冻住，不许走。
Alright,
Keep pushing.
tell me you got me.
No.
Oh no!
No, dude. Oh, needs one. No. Dude, it's done. We can go back a little bit. Load again.
We have 3 minutes.
Yes.
We need to keep the payload moving. Enemies coming right for us.
You have a Moira now. Winston?
Can't heal you in the bubble. Can't heal you in the bubble.
Breaking bubble. Come on, May. This May's super aggressive. May no cryo. Nice. Monkey? Monkey, nice. Moira?
It's just you and hybrid.
I'm coming back
Both
on
goes
EMP.
down.
We can EMP blade if you want.
Yeah, okay. I have you. I have bleeds. Soldier's right here. Can we get soldier? I may have. Okay, we're good. Tell me when you. Oh, May behind us. May mega. Nice. 3, 2, 1 now. Nice.
Where'd that soldier come from?
You can EMP whenever.
Okay.
Just tell me when you do it though.
I'm looking for it. Okay, I'm going.
Peek me.
Huge EMP. Holy fuck.
Monkey purple.
That was
Monkey purple.
beautiful.
Monkey purple on cart. One cart. Monkey elite.
Mercy hacked. Mercy hacked.
You have a fire now? It's fine. Monkey.
Monkey elite.
Don't let him ult.
Sorry.
Wait, that cart.
Come on, soldier.
Monkey on me. Monkey on Ana.
Monkey's
Help,
still
help,
behind
help.
us.
Огонь по готовности.
That's fine. They use all their ults in the
That was
universe.
me. I should have told you zeros.
It's alright. They use all their ults. It's fine. We have one last push.
We have 2 ults. A Zen ult.
Yep. Believe me, it's gonna be worth it.
60 seconds remaining.
Their farmer seeds on our right side.
Yep.
Up on high ground.
The payload. Get it moving.
High ground.
See, you tell me when you're going. Soldier left. He's going high ground.
Back up just a bit, monkey. Back up. Let me heal you.
Soldier high ground.
Oh.
30 seconds remaining.
Soldier. Soldier 1. Nice. Mercy's still up top behind us. I'm sorry. Far 1. I'm on the Zarya point. Nice.
Monkey hacked. Monkey hacked.
Soldier. Nice EMP. Holy shit. I'm on Zarya actually. Can we get on Moira?
Dein Schutzengel ist da.
Moira faded. I'm gonna be on fire here. Far 1.
I'm looking for the pack.
Nice.
Oh, don't need it. Okay. Mercy's hacked. Mercy hacked. She's falling.
Can we get this Winston actually? Winston no bubbles or anything. Just keep me alive. I have grab soon. Keep Zarya alive. I have grab. I'm gonna use it.
Zarya's hacked. Zarya's hacked.
Huge grab on cart. Everyone.
Nice.
Thanks. Soldier.
Oh, nice anti.
Soldier 1. Soldier dead. Yo, no, don't take it.
Ah, fuck.
It's alright, no worries. That's far enough.
Scores 2-0.
I mean, for a triple DPS comp, we did pretty well.
Would you have preferred a Lucio on the third leg?
Select your hero.
No, it's okay. Do we want to try it again, or what are we doing?
We're winning. I don't know what that means, but we're doing it.
Okay. Hybrid, you can. What the fuck? Okay. I was like, wait, Hybrid playing Junkrat?
Wait, I'll play Junkrat? Oh wait, no, he actually is playing Junkrat. Cool. Let's go.
What do you want me playing?
Do you mind playing healer?
No.
I'm so tired of healer right now. Thank you.
I have been a main healer for a long ass time.
Okay.
I just can't play Ana.
Ana Zen, I think. Ana Zen, yeah.
What does Berg even count as in this comp?
It's a DPS,
Attackers in
but I'm going Hanzo.
Stick to the plan.
Oh,
And if you get into trouble, I'll bail you
I
out.
think this should be fine. It's just that Zero needs to play passive and contest card.
How? He will get. Well, you know, maybe. I feel
It's
like
alright.
he's
Or
gonna get
we're-
eaten alive.
Honestly, we should have gone just like we should play here and then go super hyper aggressive so that they can't even walk into point.
5, 4, 3, 2.
You can't go through these legs. Aw.
no.
Incoming. Defend objective A.
Gangu. Diva.
I'm balloon for Zinnia.
What the Sombra?
I will not be able to
Sombra,
kill
Monkey,
you at
and
all
Genji
there.
in
That's
the
fine.
room.
Sombra.
Sombra.
Tell me you Discord, Dom.
Alright.
Nice, that's- Come on, Diva. Can you Discord Diva? Diva's gonna be on me. Diva, no. Diva,
No
bad.
dash. Yep.
Maybe Diva. Nice. Winston.
Yeah, kill it.
You stay up on Griffin.
Genji. Nice. On more here. More is one. More no fade. Nice. Zenia. Let's go, dude. He's good at the video game. Whoa.
Sometimes.
Let's get a fat most of the time in here. Can you shoot through these legs though? Yes, dude.
Yeah.
Reaper's right, I think. Moore's right as well. Is that our side?
Can't
Probably.
see you, Hanzo. Can't
Monkey
see you,
right.
Monkey.
Monkey mark.
Daijobu.
No one can hide.
Think. Sombra behind us. He's gonna hack me. She's one. Sombra one.
Big heals. Oh, lordy.
You got him, buddy. Stay where you are. Can't heal you in that bubble. Do not go in that
Alright.
bubble. And nano.
I'm gonna
Do
die.
not go in that bubble.
Yeah.
Winston marked.
Fuck. Give me this
Fucking
monkey,
dash on point. Monkey. Diva.
It's using up, sorry.
Leave me
Ah,
alone, dude.
I'm getting
I'm
gangbanged.
literally
Alright.
5 health.
Okay, if I dragon card, are we gonna win the fight?
It's
Oh, I'm
possible.
dead.
Fuck it, dude.
Moira, one. Sombra, one. On point.
I'm gonna get 5 kills with a check.
You got nothing.
Shut up. Reaper left. No.
God, I'm just getting dove so hard. I can't do anything about that.
Contesting, or are we
Just
gonna
get out.
Yeah,
Yeah, just get out.
monkey.
I was taxed.
I should not be playing this hero. I'm sorry.
Then don't play that
So,
hero.
what do we want to do? Do we want to like change some things up?
No one can hide.
Do we want to plan for final point to have, or like at least something for final point?
I think this is fine as long as if we use Tire, and then we should probably switch to like maybe like a Tracer if you want to, and then I could switch to Brig here to peel for the supports here because they're extra vulnerable.
Nano boost is ready to deploy.
It's just that like because Syria has so much
Reaper
heals
up,
and he has
right
so much support, we should be fine. Xenia, try to look for the Reaper in particular.
Okay.
Oh, I can't see you. He's dead. We need to contest points sometime.
Reaper on healer.
For top,
I'm gonna drop. Reaper. Reaper in the
Nice
right.
fire.
I'm on Moira here. Moira no fade.
My ultimate is ready.
Winston's gonna be on cart. Winston, I got you. Can't keep it going though.
I'm walking
I'm on
back.
Moira here. Stunning Moira. Moira in. Getting out.
Sunbur right.
Winston? Oh, Reaper's right here. We gotta back out. Oh, that was my bad. I went too deep.
Monkey march.
Reaper up right.
He just trying to look for that.
No Wraith, he's gonna run away.
Okay. I'll contest card here.
Monkey's
Zia, I
on
can't
me.
see you.
Monkey's on
Zia,
me.
I can't see you. You
Ah.
I know. I couldn't jump in time.
Oh my god, this boom, dude!
Sorry.
Azra's just gonna walk over there and punch you. I have, do we need it? Monkey's behind us. Escorted.
Nice
fire.
fire. Nice fire.
You can switch now if you want to. Monkey's one. Nice. Get on this
Diva
Diva.
marked.
Sombra somewhere? I can't heal you if you're getting fucked.
Oh, I don't want a Reaper. Oh my god, I live.
Reaper no wraith.
Sombra's right down main, going left side.
I'm hacked.
I got you. Honestly, we can chill on cart. Do they have a Reinhardt? Did they have a Reinhardt?
I don't think they did before. They had a monkey. No, they had a monkey
Please.
before.
Dang. They're going left, watch out.
Got her.
Nice.
They're resing. He was done. Rein's charging, watch out.
They have a soldier.
Oh, I need to get
Demon no Mac.
Ryan, fuck this Ryan. He's on
March.
cart alone.
Mercy
I don't
marked.
have shield right now.
Sorry, I was trying to heal Monkey who needs crit too. Monkey, get out of there.
The melee Junkrat. Let's go.
Let's go, dude. Wait, they have a Sombra. This is a bad choice. Eh.
They have Pharah now.
Ooh.
I don't like that.
Ready to deploy.
No worries.
It's Pharah instead of the Sombra.
Yeah, no Sombra.
Pharah's
That's good.
You're up
Nice
right side of
soldier died
contestant
too.
stand.
We're at one.
Diva marked.
We're still one with no fade.
Mercy marked.
Ryan coming in from behind.
Got him, so-
We're still one, no fade. Nice.
Sorry, I woke him up.
Oh, Ryan. Ryan's half. Ryan's one. Keeps happening. Nice. He's off hard.
Nano boost administered.
Baby Diva. Nice.
Fire marked.
Nice.
Got her.
One soldier here. Nice. Mercy dead. Nice.
Beautiful.
Good job, guys. Easy. Still don't know how we pushed that, but it's fine.
I have no idea what just happened.
Play of the game.
What? Our main healer, by the way.
Is that right?
What?
I said our main healer getting played a game on Genji, by the way.
I told you, my blades are terrible.
Clearly.
Oh,
Oh,
that was when I stole it, and I was like, fuck.
oh, that's just harsh, man. I mean, I do the same thing to him all the time, but simultaneously, I feel bad about it too.